few years ago, my student Maya was really struggling with English grammar. She memorized rules, did exercises, and tried her best. But when she wrote, the mistakes still showed up. She felt frustrated. One day she told me, "I think English grammar is too hard for me." I smiled and said, "Maya, the problem isn't you. It's the way you're learning." Then I shared a few simple ideas with her, ideas anyone can follow. And guess what? In just a few weeks, her writing became clearer and more accurate. Today, she even helps her friends with their essays. In this video, I'm going to share those same ideas with you. So if grammar feels confusing and you want to finally understand it, stay with me. I know many learners feel grammar is too hard. You learn a rule, but then you forget it, or you're not sure how to use it. Don't worry, that will start to change today. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Don't just memorize rules. See them in action. Most learners treat grammar like a list of facts to remember. But that's not how real understanding works. Think about cooking. You don't become a good cook by only reading recipes. You watch someone cook. You try it yourself. You see how ingredients work together. Grammar works the same way. When you read English books, articles, or even subtitles, pay attention to how sentences are built. Your brain will slowly start to notice the patterns. Step 2. Focus on one thing at a time. Don't try to learn all tenses or all prepositions in one day. Choose one small point, like the present simple or using in, on, and at. Practice just that until you feel confident. Small, steady steps lead to big improvement.